here's an outstanding floor plan. I had just had somebody asking about this one, and they had a Salem trailer to trade in. Well, anyhow, this is a 2019 Quailridge, and it's unit number 11804. It's a 39AKFFL. It's a nice gray tone with white lineals and white vinyl windows and doors. It's got a house type rear entry door. It's a triple axle trailer. It's 14.5 feet tall. That's how tall this is. MSRP is $63,285. You're walking in this trailer. You see it's an angle kitchen with swivel stools. It's got a 5-burner stainless range. It's got a convection microwave, stainless fridge. Down here we're talking Lazy Susan in the corner. Everything in these park models stay in them. That includes all the furnishings, drapes, lamps, end tables, nightstands, table, chairs. Over here we have the entertainment center, which also features an electric fireplace, room for at least a 40-inch, 42-inch, 44-inch, maybe 50-inch flat screen, LED lights. This one just came in. As you can see, we don't even have it unpacked yet. Heading down the hallway, we got linen closet / pantry, storage, a little bit of storage under the stairs. Really nice big bathroom. It's got a shower tub with glass doors. That's the glass doors sitting in the hallway in that box. We'll have them on here shortly and maybe shoot a different video. But anyhow, you can get the idea. It's got a nice big hall closet. There's plank linoleum throughout the entire main floor. There's carpet in the master bedroom and loft only. So this is the bedroom. It's got ball bearing full extension drawer guides. There's a light in each side of the closet rod, light in each side, light in the center by the makeup mirror. Got the full extension drawer guides, 8 drawers, 4 doors. Okay, I think this is going to conclude our tour of the 2019 39AKFFL we have in stock. Call Kelly if you want to purchase this model. There's our sectional sofa. It's also a sleeper. You have a sleeper on this side. Footstool on that side. Okay. Have a great day.